Good morning. This is Spirit Journey. I've been awake now for about a half an hour. This is my third attempt doing this video. I want to discuss some visions that I had upon waking up. It is Monday, April 29th, 2019, and it's about 9 a.m. in the morning. These are the things that I saw. The first thing I think I remember seeing was a large body of water. Could have been an ocean or a lake. And I'm elevated. My vision is like I'm not at eye level. I'm some ways up, maybe even 100 feet up in the air, and I'm looking downward. It might be like, it's not at I'm not at a 90-degree angle of the water. It's more like a 45-degree angle. And I see like a ship. It was still the water, but it's like you can see the slight rippling of the water. And you see like light cast upon it. Like how you see with whether it be the sunlight, like even the moonlight. It was like in the center of the water, like a long stream of this light upon the water. So the center, the length of the water, and then the opposite sides of this light, it's darker. So it's like a trail of light against a still body of water. And then I noticed that there was snow. It looked like snow or even ice, fluffy white ice, against the water in patches. And then I remember seeing what looked like a different location now. This was indoors now. A twin-size bed. It was against the wall. The head of the bed was against the wall. I'm not sure if the left side of the bed was against the wall too. But I'm at the foot of the bed towards the right corner, maybe 2 yards away from the bed. In front of me was the wall, and there was this device. It looked like something you would hook your clothes, small items on. It was positioned horizontally upon the wall. To the right of the bed, the device was like at eye level. It was a reddish brown, looked like a light reddish brown piece of wood. The base of this device, it was maybe a half an inch thick. The corners were rounded, but it just stood out. The wood, the coloring of this wood, it just stood out. It was very clear. And the twin-size bed next to this thing that you hook it didn't have anything to hook on it. Nothing was hooked on it, but it was just there. It was unused. The twin-size bed had a thin white color blanket, a covering over the bed. I think the edges of the, the vision of this room, it was 3D. It's like I was there, but it was not as clear in the edges of the vision. I don't think it was tunnel-like vision, no, but I think it was slightly darkened. It wasn't 100% clear, but it was, especially the hook, that it was so clear, that device. It just stood out. The room actually reminds me of the bedroom that I was in as a child. But I have visited that home, and it doesn't have those sheets on the bed. But it was something like it. It reminded me of that room, but I know it's not that room. I don't think it is, but it reminds me of it because my bed was positioned like that in real life. My childhood bedroom. And the last thing I could really tell, like the last thing I saw, it looked like you see like that energy color, and it looked like a sky, dark sky, and this luminous light, cloudish type of thing. But this looked like now, like it turned into what looked like the exhaust of a ship. It was circular, and then you saw a smaller circle in the middle, then two small circles on top and two on the bottom, so the total of 5 lights or exhausts. Cloud-like texture, but it was that light, that energy light that I usually see. But it reminded me of, it looked like the base of a spacecraft against a very dark background. And those are the things that I remember seeing. So, if you guys have any ideas why I see these things, what they mean, to try to bring understanding of why I see these things upon waking up from sleep or dreaming, and again I keep my eyes closed to encourage this effect, but I don't know actually what's going on. I mean, I see the things, but why I'm seeing these things, and if anyone else out there have had this phenomenon, and are they seeing the same thing, or are you seeing something different? Let me know in your comments below, and you can share your experiences or share what you think what's going on. I thank you again. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.